In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that sends an email whenever a task's status changes, helping you keep teammates and stakeholders informed without lifting a finger. This is perfect for status updates, like when a task moves to in progress or done, or whenever you want an automatic nudge to go out at a key moment. First, open your ClickUp account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want the automation to live. Automations apply at the level you create them in, so choose the place that makes the most sense for your workflow. Now, look to the upper right corner and click Automate. This opens the Automations panel where you can see existing automations and create new ones. It's your hub for defining triggers and actions that run on autopilot. Next, click Create Automation. You're starting a new rule from scratch. Think of a rule as, when X happens, do Y. In this case, X will be a task-related event and Y will be sending an email. On the Trigger section, select Task. This tells ClickUp you want the automation to watch for something that happens to a task rather than a comment, a due date, or a custom event. Then click Change Status. Status changes are one of the most common and reliable triggers. This means the rule will fire when a task moves from one status to another. You'll be able to specify which status change you care about during the setup prompts, so it only runs when it should. For the action, select Email. This sets the outcome. An email will be sent automatically based on the trigger you just defined. Click Send Email, then click Continue to move forward. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. You'll choose who receives the email, craft the subject line and message, and, if available, insert dynamic fields like task name, assignee, or due date, so your email is always accurate and relevant. You can also fine-tune the trigger conditions by selecting the specific status change you want, such as from to do to in progress, or from in review to complete. Be sure to review any permission prompts or connection settings, so ClickUp can send on your behalf. When the setup confirms your choices, save and enable the automation. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable rule that sends an email when a task changes status. It keeps communication consistent, reduces manual work, and helps everyone stay aligned.